Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Google Tag Manager to track button clicks step by step clearly. To configure Google Tag Manager to track button clicks, start by logging into your Google Tag Manager account. Select the container for the website you want to track. In the left sidebar, click on Triggers. Then, click on the New button to create a new trigger. Name your trigger something like Button Click Trigger. Click on the Trigger Configuration section. Choose Click All Elements as the trigger type. In the This Trigger Fires On section, select some clicks. Now, you'll need to define the conditions for when this trigger should fire. If you want to track clicks on a specific button, choose Click Classes, Click ID, or another relevant condition. Set the condition to Contains and enter the specific class or ID of the button you want to track. Once your conditions are set, click Save to save your trigger. Next, navigate to the Tags section on the left sidebar. Click on the New button to create a new tag. Name your tag something descriptive, like Button Click Tag. Click on the Tag Configuration section. Select Google Analytics, Universal Analytics if you are using Universal Analytics. In the Track Type dropdown, choose Event. Fill in the required fields for category, action, and label. For example, you might enter button for category, click for action, and specify the button name for label. Next, in the Google Analytics settings dropdown, select your Google Analytics variable. If you haven't set this up yet, you will need to create a new variable with your Google Analytics tracking ID. Once everything is configured, scroll down to the Triggering section. Select the button click trigger you created earlier. Now click Save to save your tag. To make sure everything is working correctly, click on the Preview button in the top right corner. Open your website in a new tab, with the preview mode active. Click on the button you are tracking and return to the Google Tag Manager preview panel. You should see the event firing in the preview mode. If everything looks good, go back to Google Tag Manager and click the Submit button to publish your changes. Add a version name and description if desired, then click Publish. Now test your setup again in real time in Google Analytics to ensure the events are being recorded correctly. That's it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.